As technology is rapidly getting into every nook and corner of the world, houses with an Echo speaker are rare. Are you confused about which Amazon Echo speaker to buy? So here, come with us and explore which Amazon speaker you should buy. This video will look into Amazon Echo Flex, Amazon Echo Input, Amazon Echo Input Portable, Amazon Echo Dot 3, Amazon Echo Show 5 second generation, and Amazon Echo Plus. Amazon Echo Flex. With the Amazon Echo Flex, you can add Alexa capabilities almost everywhere in your home. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity let you stream music from the internet or a compatible device. Its 1/8-inch audio output lets you connect your favorite speaker system for a more powerful sound. The USB port allows you to charge your phone or tablet and connect separately purchased peripherals. Improve the intelligence of any space plug in the Echo Flex and use your voice to set timers, create daily reminders, check the news, weather, or traffic, inquire about sports scores, movie show times, restaurant hours, and more. More home control via voice. Use your voice to control compatible smart home gadgets. Turn on the lamp before getting out of bed, dim the lights from the couch while watching a movie, or raise the temperature when you leave the house. You can also set Alexa Guard to get smart alerts whenever your Echo device senses smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, or glass breaking. Keep your family in sync. With drop-in and announcements, you can use your Alexa devices as an intercom to communicate with any room in the house, inform everyone when dinner is ready, or remind the children it is bedtime. To stay in touch with friends and family, you may also make hands-free calls to practically any phone number in the US, Canada, Mexico, and the UK. Design flexibility and expansion Echo Flex. Using the built-in USB Type-A socket, you can charge your phone or add an optional accessory, such as a nightlight or motion sensor. The Echo Flex contains a microphone off button that disconnects the microphones electronically. Customers with visual, hearing, mobility, and speech accessibility issues will find several capabilities in the Alexa app and Alexa-enabled items. The Amazon Echo Input is an 8-centimeter black or white plastic disc meant to be ignored rather than observed. There's no brilliant ring of LED lights around the borders to indicate that Alexa is listening, and no gray cloth on the sides to make it look ready for an IKEA faux living room. The Echo Input, on the other hand, replicates practically every smart feature and function of its larger, more expensive siblings. When Alexa is active, a single LED dot on the top illuminates, and 2 buttons beside it allow you to mute the microphone and stir Alexa without using a wake phrase. A Bluetooth speaker appears to be the most likely pairing, as the input connects to one the same way a phone does. This is accomplished through the Alexa app, a substitute for the input's lack of a visual interface. Using Bluetooth also allows you to position the Echo Input on the opposite side of the room from the speaker. It's a smart idea not to put the two together. When music is playing, Amazon Echo smart speakers are extremely good at hearing voice commands, but the input only adapts to a limited level because it doesn't know the tonal characteristic or volume of your speaker. The Echo Input isn't a technological breakthrough, it's merely an Echo Dot minus the speaker functionality. However, Amazon has preserved the quality of the Echo experience by employing a sensitive multi-microphone array that allows you to interact with the input in an almost natural manner. The key advantage of the input over other Amazon goods is that it can be used with nearly any powered speaker setup, including your existing kit. That makes it an appealing prospect and the most cost-effective method to experiment with Alexa or multi-room audio. Amazon Echo Input Portable. The new Echo Input Portable is smaller than the Echo 3rd Gen or Echo Studio. It is, however, slightly larger than the Echo Dot with a clock and has comparable characteristics and capabilities. A single 1.5-inch speaker powers the Echo Input Portable, which can stream music via Wi-Fi or connect to a Bluetooth source device to play audio. This speaker's main selling point is its 4800 mAh battery, which allows you to use it with a power adapter. Unlike other Echo devices, the Echo Input Portable can be unplugged and taken around with you. You can effortlessly install it wherever in your home or even take it outside, as long as you're inside your Wi-Fi service area. The Echo Input Portable sound quality was adequate and pleasantly competent for such a small Echo device. We enjoyed the crisp and detailed sound while streaming songs over the internet. The Amazon Echo Input Portable is the first Echo device to operate on its built-in battery and is quite capable in terms of portability. If you use the gadget at home, you can set the speaker wherever you like without worrying about the nearest power outlet. The device can function as a mobile hotspot if you're not in an area where you can receive a fast and consistent Wi-Fi connection. In either case, you get the familiar Alexa and music streaming experience, good sound quality, and longer battery life for a speaker of this size. Amazon Echo Dot 3. If Jeff Bezos, Amazon CEO, does take over the world, he may have the Amazon Echo Dot to thank. As Amazon strives to penetrate every possible product market, home and room, the new Echo Dot 3rd generation is possibly the most attractive method to integrate Amazon's Alexa speech assistant into your home. However, if you enjoy the notion of a smart assistant mixed with a simple music speaker, it's difficult to argue against the Echo Dot. The 3.5mm audio output and Bluetooth connectivity are the only features. If you want a bigger, better sound than the Echo Dot can provide, you can connect to another device via a connected or wireless connection. In terms of features, it's all about Alexa. The three main threads of Dot's performance are how well Alexa hears you, how excellent the speaker sounds, and what it can accomplish. The previous Echo Dot was already pretty good at hearing your orders, and we're just as pleased with the performance here. A clear command will wake Alexa even if music is playing. The new Echo Dot is the simplest, cheapest, and most effective method to bring Alexa into your house. It works well on its own or can be seamlessly integrated with a wide range of other smart home and AV equipment, delivering voice control and smart features at the touch of a button. Amazon Echo Show 5 2nd Generation. Amazon has updated its smaller Echo Show 5 smart display in addition to the new Echo Show 8. For the same $84.99, it's essentially the same smart clock radio as the previous model, with no significant upgrades to the screen or speaker. The camera receives a slight update, although it does not provide the same improvement in image quality as the new Echo Show 8. If you own the original model, there's no reason to upgrade, but for new customers, the 2nd generation Echo Show 5 remains a handy, affordable smart display that's small enough to fit almost any place you need Alexa and a screen. If you currently own the 1st generation Echo Show 5, the 2nd generation device offers no substantial improvements. However, at $84.99, it is the most affordable smart display on the market, and its compact size allows it to be placed almost anywhere from your desk to your nightstand. The larger Echo Show 8 has greater audio, video, and camera capabilities for $129.99 in size better suited to countertops, while the Echo Show 10 is Amazon's greatest smart display for video conversations thanks to a rotating base that rotates to track you, but it is the most expensive at $249.99. Meanwhile, if you prefer Google Assistant to Alexa, the $99.99 Google Nest Hub has a larger, higher-resolution screen and can track your sleep. However, if you want the tiniest, most affordable smart display available, the Echo Show 5 is the one to choose. Amazon Echo Plus. Echo Plus suddenly looks like the sister of all other Echo speakers. It is louder than all other Echo speakers. Even the size is much bigger. The most recent and greatest Amazon Echo Plus smart speaker incorporates the same improved audio as previous Plus models into a redesigned Alexa smart speaker design. But as we'll see, the difference between this Plus and previous editions isn't just cosmetic. If you're looking for an Alexa speaker, keep in mind that the Echo Plus was partially overtaken by the new Amazon Echo 2019, which was then usurped by the Amazon Echo Dot 2020. However, the Echo Plus is still available for purchase, and if you can find a decent deal, it's worth considering. In 2017, Amazon released the first Echo Plus. The Echo Plus boasts considerably superior audio quality than the rest of the Echo lineup. Regarding audio, the cheaper and smaller Echo Dot falls short, and the regular Echo will suffice for radio and podcasts, but only so far. The Echo Plus, on the other hand, pushes the audio output to become one of the greatest smart speakers available. The Echo Plus also has smart home capabilities, allowing it to serve as a hub for the other types of connected technology. It means you can speak with your Philips Hue light bulbs, Nest security cameras, Wemo light switches, and other devices using the same voice command interface you use to check the weather, shop, and stream songs from Spotify or Amazon Music, without the need for individual hub hardware for each gadget. Now, as we are coming to an end, we will finish your doubt. What Amazon Echo speaker should you buy? Then if you buy the Echo for the first time, we recommend you not spend much, and then you can go for the option Echo Dot 3. It is a decent speaker and the mic quality is good. After you use one without spending much, you will realize whether this will come to use for you. So people buy costly versions during Amazon sales and only use them rarely. After using a not-so-costly one, you can consider an expensive one. For example, for a music lover with many smart devices at home, get Echo Plus. Also, an Echo Input Portable is a good option if you want a portable speaker. These are our suggestions.